Hey guys, I think many of you are aware of miniature amplifiers like the PAM8403. They are sold on AliExpress for literally 30 cents, but quite powerful. They work from 5 volts and outputs each channel, since this is a 3-watt stereo amplifier. Despite the fact that these amplifiers are very compact, the idea was born to immediately connect 3 amplifiers in parallel without using any extra wires, so as not to lose the compactness of these amplifiers. This idea, it seems to me, is too simple for a separate video, and it could be attributed simply to the category with life hacks. But in order not to simplify it all, but rather to complicate it, I will take this package of amplifiers, which we will now prepare, and put it in a lighter. We will make such an amplifier lighter. It will be, first of all, compact, unusual, and plus very useful, because you can simply put it in your pocket and use it anywhere for a computer or phone. So watch this video to the end, because at the end I will make a small announcement, from which I think you will be left in shock. Let's go. To begin with, we will need these contacts. I will extract them from the old board from the DVD drive. We thread them into the holes and solder them. Now we pass these contacts through the hole of the second amplifier and solder them. These boards do not overheat under the load, but still, if you are afraid, then leave a bigger gap between them. That's actually what I wanted to show you, how a simple idea can solve the problem of compactness. Without using a single wire, we got such a sandwich of amplifiers. And it doesn't have to be amplifiers, you can use any other boards that can be connected in parallel. Well, we continue and put the sandwich amplifier in a lighter. We cut off the lower part of one of the lighters. To get more internal space and all the components fit inside the lighter, we take a new lighter, and now we cut out the bottom only from the inside. As you can see, the bottom of the lighter on the inside has 2 circles like this. It was as if they were designed for a 3.5 mm jack socket hole. Super, the sockets are snapped very tightly, so they can in principle not to be glued, but for reliability I dropped a couple more drops of super glue. We remove the upper metal casing, push it apart, disassemble the mini jack and insert it into this slot. We bend it back. The thickness of this metal casing is quite decent, so the mini jack is securely fixed here and will definitely not run away anywhere. We remove the drum, the presser foot and drill a hole here. Now we solder the wires to the mini jack, the left and right channels. Remember that in parallel from the mini jack there is an output to the speakers. Well, we solder the power to the second socket. Well guys, the mini speaker from a lighter with a triple sandwich amplifier. We have it ready, so let's test it. And in the role of power supply, we can use literally anything. A simple USB cable, connecting it to the computer or some other device. Or we can use the same USB cable in conjunction with the power supply, as well as batteries or accumulators. As the first guinea pig, we will use a small 3-watt speaker. As you can see, it just breaks into trash, so let's take something more powerful. If I'm not mistaken, this speaker has between 50–70 watts, and as you can see, our amplifier copes just with a bang. So today's video has come to the end, and as I promised, a small announcement. Guys, a new studio is being built now. It will be mega cool, so please wait and do not judge strictly why videos are released so rarely and may not be as complex as before. So thank you so much for your attention, a little more patience, and soon everything will definitely come true. Bye bye.